Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make Google Chrome your default web browser on your Samsung smartphone. So Samsung Galaxy, specifically like S23, S24, S25, for example. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the setting button on this page. You want to now go and select the Apps button, and then select under General where it says Default Apps, and go ahead and open that up. And now select the Browser app. And now if you want to change the default browser on your Samsung smartphone, just select Chrome, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.